Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL G2 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To set mobile data limits, we must activate our settings application. In it, tap on our first network and internet, and there we tap on our SIMs. Sorry, not SIMs, we tap on our internet, and there on our settings in our Virgin Mobile SIM card, there will be name of your SIM card, and there scroll and choose data warming and limit. In this part we can set our data limit. First step, we can set when our SIS start, maybe first day of each month. There we can turn on and turn off our data warming, and we can set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need and prefer. Maybe we set data warming on 5 gigabytes, and thereby switch one we can turn on and confirm by OK our data limits, and the same style we can set it maybe on 6 gigabytes. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.